Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, we'll be doing 15 minutes of isometric holds and active flexibility. It's going to be a lot of fun and you don't need any equipment. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the little logo in the corner of this video. It's completely free and allows me to keep making more videos just like this one. All right, are you ready to go? Let's get flexy and strong. Okay, our first exercise is going to be pike. So we're going to be here in our pike and we're going to be reaching over and lifting one foot off the ground and then the other foot. Here we go. So you're pushing into the ground, reaching over top of your body and lifting up those legs. Squeezing your core. Squeezing those quads. We're going to do each exercise for 1 minute. And then move on to the next one. Keep those legs straight, keep lifting. We're at 30 seconds. Good, keep it up. Feel the burn in those quads. If you need to, you can always lean back a little bit more. 10 seconds. Next exercise, we're going to be laying on the ground. And we're going to lift one leg up and kick. And we're going to do this leg for 30 seconds. Working that active flexibility. Good. Keep squeezing, keep that lower back on the ground, keep that core tight. And we're not going to switch yet. We're going to go into an active hold. So you're squeezing and you're pulling your leg towards you, just using your own quads. And keep pulling. How close can you get it? Good. Keep lifting, keep pulling. Good. Almost ready for the next side. 2, 1, and switch, and kicks on the other side. Good, 10 seconds. Keep it going. Use that core, use that quad. 3, 2, 1, and pull it towards you. Use that quad to pull it. Good. Working hard, keep that back on the ground. Gonna get stronger, gonna get more flexible. Almost there, 10 seconds. 2, 1, and we're gonna flip over to our side, head on the shoulder, and we're gonna lift up, and we're actually gonna go all the way up this time. So kicking our leg, and we can rotate it. So rotate the foot up and kick. As high as you can go, keeping that knee straight, squeezing that leg. We have 7 more seconds. And then we are going to pull that leg towards us. And pull it towards you and hold. And keep pulling. How close can you get it to your head? Good. Keep it up. Try not to rotate onto your back. Keep yourself square to the front. 10 seconds. Pull that leg towards you. Keep squeezing those legs. 3, 2, 1. And we're going to switch sides. And other side, laying down. Kick that leg, rotate that foot. So we're rotating up and kicking. 2, 1, and we're holding and we're pulling it towards us. Good, keep pulling. Use that quad, use that core, use that oblique to pull it towards you. 10 seconds. 2, 1, and just as you probably expected, now we're gonna go backwards. So we're here and we're kicking as high as we can, explosive. Squeezing that butt, squeezing that leg. Good. 10 seconds. 2, 1, and lift it up as high as you can. And hold it and feel that burn. Keep holding it there. And lift a little higher if you can. Seconds. 2, 1, and switch sides. We're here and we're kicking. Squeeze that quad, squeeze that butt. Good, explosive. Keep it up, work that hamstring. 10 more seconds. Hold as high as you can go. And keep holding, halfway there. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Next is Cobra push-ups. So we're going to be here, arms next to our sides, and we'll push up and squeeze and down. Push up and open that chest, squeeze those shoulders back and down. When you're doing this, try and use your back more than your arms. The arms are really just there for support and to push a little bit to help you get up all the way, but most of the work should be able to be done by your back, because we're strengthening the entire range of motion. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good. Now we're going to be standing up, bent over at our hips, and we're going to raise our thumbs up to the middle. So up and down for 30 seconds. This is great active flexibility for being able to do anything overhead. So if you're trying to keep your arms up, trying to do some shoulder press, you need to be able to get your shoulders open. So you need to be able to lift up all the way. Good, and hold. Lifting, keep it up, you can do it. Feel that burn. Five, 3, 2, 1. Good, now we're gonna go out to the side. Good. Trying to keep our chest parallel to the floor. Good, and holding. 3, 2, 1, and hold. And squeeze those shoulder blades back. And hold. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and now we're going to the back. So we're here, bending over, and up, and squeeze those shoulder blades. Keep squeezing that back. I know I am feeling that burn all the way down. Good, almost halfway. And hold. Three, 2, 1, and good. Let's lay down on the ground. We're gonna be doing hollow ups this time, so we're gonna be laying on the ground, and the goal is to go into a position with the lower back on the ground and lifting up. So up to hollow, and down, and up, and down. If you need to, you can always go up a little bit higher to make sure that lower back is on the ground. Go ahead and check yourself right now, see if you can keep that lower back on. If you need to, you can always retuck those hips under and head on back up. Good. Next exercise is gonna be oblique lifts. So we're here, and we're gonna do our side plank and lift up. Here we go. Up and hold. Down. Up and hold. Down. Good, keep going. And up, hold, and down. 30 more seconds. Seconds, almost there. 2, 1, and switch sides. Elbow down and getting ready to lift and go. Up and down. Up and hold and down. Good. And squeeze that side and down. Good, 10 seconds. Five seconds. 2, 1. Good. Last one's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. We're gonna be trying to lift our booty off the ground. So we're gonna be here and we're gonna rock forward and press. So I have my hands in fists to help lift me up a little bit more. If you need to, you can spread your legs apart a little bit more and rock forward, press down and up. And when I do this, I am squeezing my abs and I am pushing down and extending through my shoulders. "15 seconds. Three, two, one, and we are all done for today. Very good job today, you guys. That was a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you. And also make sure to leave me a like if you liked that video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all my new workouts. See you tomorrow.